Welcome to our guide on how to enter promo codes on BetMGM for 2025. BetMGM is a leading online sports betting platform, and knowing how to use promo codes can maximize your experience. By using a promo code at BetMGM, you can unlock special bonuses, free bets, and more. It's a great way to get started on the platform. Creating an account on BetMGM is simple. Let's walk through the steps. First, head to their website or app. Promo codes can typically be found on the promotions page of the BetMGM website or app. Keep an eye out for special offers. During sign-up, there's a specific field to enter your promo code. Make sure to paste it carefully to benefit from the offer. Wondering if you can enter a promo code after you've already created your account? Let's find out. Sometimes, users face issues while entering promo codes. Let's explore some common problems and how to resolve them. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions associated with promo codes. This ensures you maximize your benefits. To make the most of your BetMGM promo code, here are some handy tips to keep in mind. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to enter and benefit from promo codes on BetMGM.